Good morning, everyone, and welcome to yet another Super Sunday, the fifth Super Sunday, in fact. And we are going to have an amazing week ahead. Starting from tomorrow, the sixth week, I think the one quote that we are going to follow from tomorrow is that all progress happens outside the comfort zone. And believe me, from tomorrow onwards, the entire week is going to be full of very intense exercises, wherein we also have a weight loss challenge. The details of it will come soon as we progress. But before that, let me welcome all the new branches that have joined us. Very happy to share that now we have 80 branches who have joined Ahmedabad branch in this mega health and fitness initiative. My sincere thanks to all the branch chairman and all the managing committee members of the branch for joining us. Now, as we do every Sunday, we have first of all interaction with our branch chairman. Then we will be having some live testimonials, and then we will be having our most awaited announcement on the BCA test. So starting with the branch chairman, I think let me start with someone who is very vivacious, full of life, and I'm talking about CA Dineshji Agarwal. He comes from the city of Bilaspur, which is called the city of festivals. And I would now request Dineshji to please unmute and address all of us.
Thank you, sir, for inviting me. Sir, I am from Bilaspur, छत्तीसगढ़। सर, यहाँ पे हमारी ब्रांच बहुत छोटी ब्रांच है और इसमें 250 मेंबर्स हैं और हमारी ब्रांच 2007 में चालू हुई थी, जिसके बाद हमने CIRC लेवल पे और लास्ट ईयर नेशनल लेवल पे भी अवार्ड हासिल किए थे और ब्रांच लेवल पे। और हमारी सिकासा की भी टीम बहुत अच्छा काम करती है। अभी तक हमने लगभग 30 घंटे के CP आवर्स इस साल भी कर चुके हैं और अभी कोविड यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन का पीरियड चल रहा है सर छत्तीसगढ़ में, तो इसमें अभी हम लोग पूरा ब्रांच जो है पूरे मेंबर्स और उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स के लिए ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर, मेडिसिन और अदर चीज़ों का भी कोविड टास्क फोर्स कमेटी गठित करके हम यहाँ पे सेवाएं अपने मेंबर्स को दे रहे हैं, क्योंकि अभी बहुत विषम परिस्थिति बनी हुई है। तो अभी सबकी ऑफिस वगैरह भी बंद हैं और आपका ये कार्यक्रम, इस दौरान जो ये कार्यक्रम आपने लॉन्च किया है सर, इसके लिए बिलासपुर ब्रांच आपका थैंकफुल है, क्योंकि हमारे बहुत सारे मेंबर इसे ज्वाइन करते हैं और करके बेनिफिट भी हो रहे हैं। मुझे कहा कि आप बिलासपुर ब्रांच में क्यों नहीं करते ऐसा प्रोग्राम, तो सर मुझे थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हुई आपके इस प्रोग्राम से कि मेरे को सुनना पड़ा, और फिर भी मैं उन्होंने थैंकफुल किया कि आपने कम से कम ज्वाइन तो कराया, आप नहीं कर रहे हैं तो कम से कम अहमदाबाद को तो ज्वाइन किया। तो ये मैं अहमदाबाद ब्रांच का थैंकफुल हूँ और मैं ये उम्मीद करता हूँ सर कि जब भी अहमदाबाद ब्रांच ऐसा कोई भी कार्यक्रम करेगा तो हमें अवश्य साथ में लेगा और हम सहर्ष स्वीकार करेंगे आपका कोई भी इन्विटेशन आएगा तो, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही हेल्पफुल प्रोग्राम रहा है आपका फिट इंडिया, जिसके कारण से काफ़ी मेंबर सुबह साइकिलिंग, तो आपका ये योगा और आपके मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें उन्होंने मेरे को बताया कि बहुत अच्छे आपने पैनलिस्ट लाए हैं कि लोगों को काफ़ी बेनिफिट हुआ। फ्री है तो ये काम तो बहुत अच्छा हो गया। वैसे तो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स को टाइम मिलता नहीं है सर लाइफ में, 24 आवर की सर्विस हो गई है आजकल। तो ये जो आपने लाया है, आपको दिल से धन्यवाद दे रहे हैं सर बिलासपुर ब्रांच, और हमेशा हमारा ख्याल रखिएगा सर। छोटी ब्रांच है, आप बड़ी ब्रांच है। तो और आपके सभी पैनलिस्ट को भी मैं थैंकफुल बोलूंगा कि उन्होंने भी समय निकाला हमारे मेंबर्स के लिए, हमारे ऑल ओवर इंडिया मेंबर्स के लिए। 73 ब्रांच, ऑलमोस्ट 1 रीजन कवर हो गया एक प्रकार से। तो आपने भी सर इतना बड़ा बीड़ा उठाया, धारीवाल साहब का मैं थैंकफुल बोलूंगा। उन्होंने चल के मुझे फोन किया कि भाई आपका ऐसा हमारा प्रोग्राम है, आपकी ब्रांच ज्वाइन करेगी क्या। ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा दिल रखने वाली बात है सर, और थैंकफुल टू यू एंड ओवर टू धारीवाल साहब।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। सर हम डेफिनेटली फ्यूचर में और भी प्रोग्राम साथ में करेंगे और बहुत अच्छा लगता है सर आपसे बात करके, आपका फीडबैक, हम लोग टच में रहते हैं और आपके सेमिनार्स भी हम फॉलो करते हैं सर। थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर स्पेयरिंग योर टाइम। नाउ कमिंग टू द सिटी वेयर इट इज कॉल्ड स्नूकर ओरिजिनेटेड। हम स्नूकर खेलते हैं पर सब बोलते हैं कि स्नूकर ये सिटी में ओरिजिनेट हुआ था। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट जबलपुर ब्रांच, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सिटी, ग्रीन सिटी, full of architecture, monuments and all. I would now request CA Madhu Agarwal ji, who is the chairperson of Jabalpur branch, to please address all of us.
Thank you, Harit ji. Thank you so much, and thank you for describing our city in such a wonderful manner. I would like to share that it is also known as Marble City because यहाँ पे marble mountains हैं and that is a beautiful sight to see. So I would request everyone to, after the pandemic gets over, do visit the city. It would be a very nice experience. Perhaps it has been a sea change in the history of ICAI that the topics from accounting and taxation have synthesized to health and well-being. I feel privileged to be a part of Movement 73, which is aiming to bring a positive change in the lifestyle of participants. Ahmedabad branch has taken a very good initiative to bring, I guess, sir ने अभी number बोला था 80, to bring about 80 branches in this journey, which is actually a tough task. In this pandemic time, the best investment is what we can do is in our own health. And there are three things which I think, if taken care of, will keep us healthy. That is exercise, nutrition, and good sleep. The best part of this program is that it has been designed in such a manner that all the aspects are being taken care of. And the motivational force is seeing so many people following the routine, which helps us to cling to it. Otherwise, sometimes it becomes difficult to do it alone. We feel कि चलो यार आज cheat कर लेते हैं, आज exercise नहीं करते हैं. But when you know that there are so many people who are doing it around, not only in your city, but in so many cities who are following the same routine, so this is a driving force. I would also like to share that we at Jabalpur branch are also conducting yoga sessions for members and family. We have started this from 10th of April, and we are planning to do it throughout the year, which is free of cost for the members and their families. I would like to congratulate C. Harit Dhariwalji, Chairman Ahmedabad branch, the committee members, and the team behind this movement. This cannot be a one-man thing. I know you have a very big team and a very good team, a very motivated team, I should say. Congratulations to them also. And I would also like to congratulate each and every participant who has participated in this movement and who is doing the exercises regularly. I wish them all success after this event gets over. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Always a pleasure to hear you, and the way you describe the transition from accounting to being healthy, I think it is so true for all of us. And I'm sure we all will be following this even after the movement gets over. From Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and now coming on to Haryana, a very special branch, a branch which has a mention also in Mahabharata, a branch which is rich in cultural heritage. Yes, I'm talking about Sirsa branch. I would now request the chairman of Sirsa branch, C. Sahuwala ji, to please address all of us. Ritun ji, you have joined?
Thank you, Hariji.
Yes, sir.
And thanks for describing a wonderful platform, manner for our branch. तो सिरसा ब्रांच एक छोटी सी ब्रांच है और हमने इस बार का मोटो भी यही रखा है कि वेल्थ इज नथिंग विदाउट हेल्थ। जो अनलॉक टाइम में भी हमने काफी प्रोग्राम किए ब्रांच लेवल पे, जिसमें बैडमिंटन टूर्नामेंट, चेस एंड कैरम टूर्नामेंट, क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट हम ऑर्गेनाइज कर चुके थे विद इन 1 मंथ। एंड सीपी आवर्स के लिए भी हम काफी एफर्ट्स कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हम अप्रोक्स 20 सीपी आवर्स अभी तक लगा चुके हैं। और सिरसा ब्रांच इज द फर्स्ट ब्रांच जिसने अनलॉक के टाइम में पहला फेस टू फेस सेमिनार भी ऑर्गेनाइज किया था। और जो अहमदाबाद ब्रांच कर रही है एक मैसिव प्रोग्राम फिटनेस इंडिया, फिट इंडिया के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, जिसमें अभी तक 80 ब्रांचेस ज्वाइन हो चुकी हैं। आई होप जब तक ये खत्म होगा तो पैन इंडिया लेवल पे सभी ब्रांचेस इसको ज्वाइन कर चुकी होंगी। और इसी के आपके से ही प्रेरणा लेकर हमने इवनिंग में भी योगा कैंप स्टार्ट कर दिया है सिरसा ब्रांच में, ताकि मेंबर्स जो सुबह ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहे वो इवनिंग में भी ज्वाइन हो और एक अपने आप को एनर्जेटिक महसूस करें। हरी जी और आपकी पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इसके लिए, ये जितने एफर्ट्स कर रहे हैं, जो आप ऐप आपने लोगों ने बनाई है और जो हमें न्यूट्रिशन के रिगार्डिंग फीडबैक मिलता है बहुत ही बढ़िया रहता है। एंड मैं सिरसा ब्रांच के सभी मेंबर्स की तरफ से आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, हैंड ओवर टू यू।
थैंक यू सर। रुतुन जी, थैंक यू सो मच सर। सारे ब्रांचेस हम एक जैसे ही हैं, वी ऑल आर पार्ट ऑफ आईसीआई, एंड बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब हम बाकी सब ब्रांचेस से साथ में मिलकर कुछ इवेंट करते हैं। तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस। नाउ कमिंग
सर
टू
मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप इन फ्यूचर भी हमें साथ में जुड़ें, कोई भी प्रोग्राम करें
एब्सोल्युटली सर, इट गोज विदाउट
सर,
सेइंग,
क्योंकि हमारी
डेफिनेटली।
ब्रांच छोटी है तो बड़े फैकल्टी हमें अवेलेबल नहीं हो पाते।
नहीं नहीं सर, डेफिनेटली हम
थैंक यू।
टच में रहेंगे, हम सच्चे में साथ में करेंगे सर। So coming to the next branch, Bhuj branch. I think the Bhuj, which is known for the traditional handicraft and embroidery, old museums and temples. I would now request Bhuj branch chairman CA Ramesh Pindolia ji to please address all of us.
Good morning, Harit bhai.
Morning, sir.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Respected dynamic chairman of Ahmedabad branch, CA Harit Dhariwal ji, secretary CA Dr. Anjali Choksi ma'am, and whole team of Ahmedabad branch, as well as chairman and managing committee members of all co-host 80 branches of ICAI. First of all, we congratulate Ahmedabad branch for arranging such a mega event in the form of Movement 73, a fitness carnival which has been started before 73 days of 73rd CA day of ICAI. And on behalf of Bhuj branch, we are thankful to Ahmedabad branch for grant us opportunity to be a co-host in this wonderful mega event. I must say that various health and motivational awareness programs like Zumba, Tabata, yoga, meditation, Bhangra, Garba, naturopathy, nutrition, mental health related programs, running, walking, cycling, all will definitely boost the mental and physical fitness of the members, students, and their family members, which is very much needed in today's pandemic time. The branch ambassador of this fitness carnival, Sri Sangaram Singh, and fitness ambassador coach Sapana Vyas, along with dynamic team of Ahmedabad branch, is trying to make this event successful and pulled more and more CA members, students, and their family members to get motivated to join this program. I also want to congratulate chairman of Ahmedabad branch with full team to involve very small branch like us to participate actively in these mega events. Members, students, and their family members of our branch are actively participating and enjoying all the session at fullest. I would also like to mention here that such a health awareness events involving 80 branches of ICAI is organized for first time in the history of ICAI, and all members will remember these events for long time, as it has put very positive effect in terms of physical as well as mental health of members, students, and their family members. Once again, we congratulate Ahmedabad branch for arranging such a mega events in the form of Movement 73, a fitness carnival, and thankful to Ahmedabad branch for grant us an opportunity to be a co-host in this wonderful mega event. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ramesh ji. So nice of you. And I think, as you mentioned, that we will continue and remember this moment even after it gets over. I hope we will consider it as a lifestyle change and follow it even after that. Now, coming to a city which was awarded the cleanest city of India in 2020 by the Swachh Sarvekshan. I'm talking about a city which was founded by Jamshedji Tata, the Steel City of India. Let me welcome CA Vikas Agarwal, the chairman of Jamshedpur branch. Vikas ji, if you can address all of us.
Thank you, Harit ji. Good morning, everyone. I would like to thank the Ahmedabad branch for making us partner or in this mega health and fitness initiative where more than 80 branches are taking part. Jamshedpur branch, as Harit ji rightly said, is Steel City because we have Tata Steel, the company, one of the biggest companies, steel company, which is present here. Apart from being the steel city, it is one of the cleanest and the greenest city in the country. We have, in Jamshedpur branch, we have more than 700 chartered accountants as members. And for our members in this COVID times, we have formed a COVID task force where we are giving free oxygen cylinders. We are doing vaccination camps and many other initiatives for the health and well-being of the members. इसके बाद भी हम लोग का इनिशिएटिव मूवमेंट 73 के साथ आगे बढ़ा where we have done many physical activities. मेंटल फिटनेस के लिए भी बहुत सारा काम किया है, जैसे मेडिटेशन और योगा. इसके लिए पूरा का पूरा श्रेय हरित जी और उसकी टीम को जाता है. ये पूरा प्रोग्राम इन्होंने बहुत स्किलफुली क्राफ्ट किया है. इसमें हर चीज है. कोई भी इंसान जब फिटनेस एक्टिविटी के तौर पे आगे जाता है तो वो बोर्डम सबसे पहले महसूस करता है. लेकिन इनका जो प्रोग्राम है, ये हर दिन हमें अलग अलग एक्टिविटी करने पे गाइड किया जाता है. इससे कोई भी इंसान बोर नहीं होता है और हम लोग हर दिन एंजॉय करके फिटनेस एक्टिविटी में आगे बढ़ते हैं. थैंक यू हरीश जी. I'll say once again, stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vikas bhai. I think it was pleasure listening to you, and आपने भी अपने members को बहुत motivate किया है. We get so many decisions from Jharkhand as well. So thank you so much for that. I think सब branch chairman यहाँ पे हैं. I would also like to take this opportunity to also maybe read out the names of all the branches, because it is very important to thank each and every one of them, because हम लोग सब कर रहे हैं, but बहुत important है कि आप लोग भी अपने members को motivate करते हैं. So gratitude to all the branches. I'll just take 2 minutes to read the names of all the branches that have joined us. My special thanks from entire committee who is present here to thank all of them. Starting from its alphabetical order, the branches Ahmednagar, Akola, Alzapuza, Alwar, Amravati, Amritsar, Anand, Aurangabad, Bahadur Nagar, Baroda, Batinda, Belgavi, Behrampur, Bharuch, Bhavnagar, Bhilai, Bhubaneswar, Bhuj, Bikaner, Bilaspur, Bulandshahr, Chittorgarh, Coimbatore, Cuttack, Dhanbad, Dhule, Ernakulam, फरीदाबाद, गांधीधाम, गौतम बुद्ध नगर, गोवा, गोरखपुर, गुरुग्राम, गुवाहाटी, हल्द्वानी, इचलकरंजी, जबलपुर, जालंधर, जलगांव, जामनगर, जमशेदपुर, झारसुगुड़ा, कल्याण डोंबिवली, करनाल, किशनगढ़, कोल्हापुर, कोलम, कोझिकोड, लातूर, लखनऊ, लुधियाना, मथुरा, नागपुर, नांदेड़, नासिक, नवी मुंबई, नवसारी, पलक्कड़, पाली, पटना, पौंडीचेरी, प्रयागराज, राजकोट, रायपुर, रतलाम, रत्नागिरी, रेवाड़ी, रोहतक, सहारनपुर, संबलपुर, सांगली, सांगरूर, सतारा, सिरसा, सोलापुर, सूरत, थाने, तिरुवनंतपुरम, Tinsukia and Vapi. So a big round of applause to all the 80 branches that have joined us. Really thankful to all of you for the same. I would also request all the participants, before we go on to the next session, I think two very important things. First is post your activities in the group. I think I know a lot of people are doing the activities. You are entering in the application as well, but it is very important for you to even post in our WhatsApp groups, because that is what motivates all of us. So I would now see from tomorrow onwards more people posting in the groups as well. If you have any doubts regarding the new application or the BCA test that we are going to just show it today, today evening or tomorrow evening, we are coming live also in front of all of you, so you can join us on a YouTube or maybe on a Zoom channel, and we can have a one-on-one interaction as well. With this, okay, I would first propose my hearty vote of thanks to all the chairmen who have joined us today morning. Thankful to chairman from Bhavnagar, Bilaspur, Jabalpur, Sirsa, Bhuj, and Jamshedpur. Thank you so much, everyone, for sparing your valuable time. It's been great interacting with all of you, and definitely we are going to do a lot of programs in future as well. Thanks a lot to all of you. Now coming to a very important part of this program, which we thought about, the live testimonials. Friends, as we say that this entire Movement 73 is a program which is by the participants, since everybody of us is also participating, of the participants and for the participants. And when we say that, we also want to hear from you live feedbacks regarding the same. And I think when I say about feedback, even positive, negative, all criticism is welcome. We are getting so much feedback and for suggestions for improvements, which we are taking into consideration. I would now first of all invite CA Kamlesh Parikh ji from Anand. I must say he's regularly joining us every morning for the session, be it Zumba, yoga, or any session, and he's always so enthusiastic. I would request Kamlesh ji to please unmute and address all of us.
Good morning, Harit.
Good morning, sir.
Let me have some honest confessions. Cycling was my long cherished dream, almost 4 or 5 years, that I was always thinking, where would I go for cycling? And once I fill up the form for Movement 73 and I saw that there's going to be a group on that, the first thing I did was I bought a cycle. Before the activity started, I started doing cycling, and at 2.7 kilometers, I was so happy. Oh my God, what a great man I am. I was very happy doing 3 kilometers a day, but when the groups formed, and I saw Asav doing 50 kilometers, Raju doing 100 kilometers, I thought, oh man, where am I? And then let me tell me, Asav has encouraged me so well that from 3 kilometers, now I'm almost 7.58 kilometers a day. And this morning also I did 10 kilometers. So when I thought I cannot make up even 35 kilometers a week, Asav said, oh man, you can do more than 50 a week, just try it. And Asav is raising my bar higher and higher. So that's what your team is doing. Great thing. About yoga, oh, tell me. Every morning now I feel like getting up early and do some exercise every morning. And let me tell all of you, this team Ahmedabad is very smart, very smart. When they made up the brochure, they said Tuesdays and Thursdays will be for seniors, special workout for seniors. And when it started, what we see on Tuesdays and Thursdays, exercise for Garba, Bhangra, fusion, and on Thursdays, very fine music and dance exercises. I'm sure Team Ahmedabad with Harit, they want to make all seniors young by heart. That it says, let them dance, let them come up and live the life. That's what the Team Ahmedabad is doing. So, a lot of compliments that you have changed the mindset. When I thought there's going to be some special for seniors, I thought there'll be some low workouts and all that. But from gradually, we all are enjoying this. So, thank you so much, Harit. And one very special, very personal, honest confession. Our diet partner, Archana, is my daughter. She was telling me from so many days, not as years, Dad, why don't you join my program and reduce your weight at least by a few kgs? I was never listening to her. But when I saw a lot of testimonials in the group that people are encouraging her, and the no sugar challenge that I took for 2 weeks, I thought, let me do something. And now I joined her. And in almost 2 weeks, I've lost 1.5 kg. I feel really better. And all this has happened only because of Gariti. I was never listening to her, Gar ki murgi dal barabar. But a lot of encouragement from the diet groups that I have joined her. And I'm feeling really, I heard somewhere you're going to have lost weight challenge. I've already started doing that. Already lost 1.5 kg in 2 weeks. So thank you, Harit, so much for making me part of this movement 73. My only last word, because I'm already a married daughter, I feel at the end of June, we all will be feeling as if घर से दिक्कत विदा हो गई, खालीपन आ जाएगा.
Sir,
Thank you so much.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for joining and motivating all of us. Archana ji is doing a phenomenal job. I'll just say that the way she is answering to all the queries on a real-time basis, I think सबको लगता है 24/7 she is working for us. So thank you for giving such an asset to our movement as well, and thank you for participating so lively. Now coming to from Anand going to Kolkata, someone who is a CA student, CA final student who is appearing in November this year, but again very passionate regarding our movement. And I would now request CA to be CA Jigisha Khemka ji from Kolkata to please address all of us.
Thank you so much, Harit sir. I'm Jigisha Khemka from Kolkata, and this movement has really helped me bring a positive change in my life. I have been on a weight loss journey for over a year now. Last year, March, I weighed 105 kg. Yeah, you heard me right. And prior to this movement, I reduced to 77 kgs, and this movement has further helped me to reduce to 73 kgs. So it has really been a life-changing thing for me. I've been more able to focus on my studies, my work, my office, and it has been, it has been overwhelming. I was planning to start cycling for a really long time. But when this cycling group was formed, I actually finally, encouraged myself to buy a cycle, and I can go on long rides as much as 20 kilometers. So it's really great. Thank you so much for that. And the mentors here are like amazing. They're ready to help as soon as you approach them. They are so helpful. Ashav sir, Pradnya ma'am, Archana ma'am, our dietitian, everybody is very helpful. And one more thing, Vikas sir has rightly said from Jamshedpur branch, that this movement has helped to break the monotony, because earlier I used to find fitness very boring. Every day we do yoga and just one kind of activity. That was my routine. But this movement has made me realize that fitness can also be fun. One day we are having Tabata, then Zumba, dance exercise. So many activities. So this is the best part of Movement 73. Thank you so much. Kudos to the entire team who has been behind this movement and who has made this movement a success. Thank you so much, Harit sir.
Thank you, Jikisha. Very nice listening from you. And I think 2 points I'll just take away from this. One is the mentors. I think most of us are aware or not, I don't know, but there are mentors in your each group, in your each walking and cycling groups. You have been assigned mentors. So any issue you have, you can directly connect with them. Be it post exercises, post workout exercises, or anything. They're always ready to help. And second is on the weight loss. As Kamlesh sir and Jikisha both mentioned regarding the weight loss, the coming week, that is starting from tomorrow till next Saturday, we are having intense workout sessions with the challenge of losing more weight. So let us see who does this challenge properly. Now coming to from Kolkata, coming back to Ahmedabad, I would now request CA Ankita Bansal, who joins us regularly, to please address all of us.
Hello, good morning, everybody. During this pandemic, you can hear me?
Yeah, Ankita.
The only positive which has been negative is COVID positive. Otherwise, we all need to be really positive in this pandemic to be fit and, to be like fit and well, healthy all. We've seen Movement 73 bringing such a huge change in my life. I was very lazy. I every day make sure I wake up early to attend this workouts. Every day you see a different workout. Some day it's Tabata, some day it's yoga, Zumba. It's different every second day. It's wonderful. They're doing a commendable job. I would like to congratulate Haritji and the entire Ahmedabad branch. And bringing 80 branches under one umbrella is not a easy job. I really appreciate all the efforts. I've seen Haritji being very encouraging and very supportive. I've seen him calling every second person and encouraging, you should join this. You should be putting your achievements or, whatever you cycle or anything. I would like to thank you, Haritji, for my weight reduction. And you've been doing a wonderful job, and especially at the cost what it is coming in. At such a nominal price, you cannot get so much, so different teachers and everything. It has been a wonderful journey for me. I run a blog on finance. I've told all my followers to follow, and there have been so many people who've joined it. My blog is financepost.in. I would love all of you to follow the same. Thank you. Thank you so much, Haritji.
Thank you, Ankita. I think very well said. It's a movement for all. Let us all continue to spread the word and make more people join this. Now, from Ahmedabad going to Gandhidham, I would now request CA Akshita Dhariwal to please address all of us.
Thank you so much, Harit sir. Very happy and healthy morning to everyone. It's been great pleasure to be associated with Movement 73. I would like to congratulate Harit sir and his entire team for being so working so hard, so selflessly, and in such a dedicated manner. My experience that I just joined gym before 2 weeks of Movement 73, but due to Corona and I have to stop going to gym. But at the same time, Movement 73 knocked the door, and it was just a ray of hope, because for people like me, agar koi danda leke nahi khade hue, to I'm just lazy, and I will just postpone and this workout. But being so designed in such a great manner, and from being planning to designing, and all the sessions are so good now. So it's such a great to have Movement 73. It's just a pleasure. I would like to say a few lines. कोरोना ने ऐसा है मारा, हर कोई अपने घर में बेचारा. Movement 73 है एक ऐसा सारा जिसने हम सबका जीवन संवारा. Thank you so much, sir, and your entire team. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Akshita ji. Especially all the 4 lines. I'll get it from you soon. मुझे message कर देना. Thank you so much. I think it was amazing to hear all of you. And इनके अलावा भी I think any suggestions that you have, keep on sending it to us. We'll definitely take care of it. Very happy to introduce Jitu Bhai and his team here who have joined us for the BCA announcement. I think they are the ones who are there every morning 7 o'clock, all pumped up, to motivate all of us. So before I invite him, I will first request C. Anjali Choksi, the secretary of the branch, who has been equally passionate about this movement. Ma'am, you are doing phenomenal cycling. I need to give competition to you every day. Request you to give a vote of thanks to chairman as well, all the participants, and also share your views.
Thank you, Chairman. I would just say that when you sow seeds and when you see the beautiful saplings coming out of it with a positive things in mind, that yes, they will grow into big plants and then trees. Under your dynamic leadership, the saplings have grown with the positive things that they will soon become plants and trees. Thank you so much. We are really glad to receive this overwhelming feedbacks, starting from CA Adeshi from Bhavnagar, CA Dineshji from Bilaspur, CA Madhuji from Jabalpur, CA Rituji from Sirsa, CA Rameshji from Bhuj, CA Vikas from Jamshedpur. We are also very much glad to see that people are reducing weight, people are really cultivating a lifestyle change, which was the objective of Movement 73. We just have to bring positive changes us, and lovely shairi by Akshita, we will note it down that's what was the purpose of Movement 73, cultivating a lifestyle change in all of us. And we love that you all are participating in majority of the activities done by Movement 73. Thank you so much. Thank you all the chairmen for being with us. Thank you all the participants for your wonderful feedback. Before I hand over to Chairman Sir, we also congratulate Jitendra Dave and his team. Being a CA and being so passionate about the fitness, his team is doing wonderful job, and each one of us for being there. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Anjali ma'am, for your kind words. Now, without wasting much of the time, coming to the most awaited part of today, that is the BCA test announcement. I think I'll now hand over the mic to Jitu Bhai and his team. We can now take forward regarding the BCA.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you all the participants for great participation shown by you. We meet every day and we see how enthusiastic you all are. Because of you, this movement is really a mega movement. So now we are going to discuss about BCA. What is BCA basically? BCA is a body composition analysis test. Actually we have planned is there is a physical BCA. We have already done for some few of the members initially before the start of the movement, but due to COVID situation we could not complete it. So now we have decided to cover it at this moment, because still we have halfway to go for the movement. So we have a lot of time. So BCA is absolutely important. It is basically a body composition analysis, which is your structure. What is the level of your fat? What is the level of your mass, protein, water, each and every component that is there in our physique. So before starting of any fitness activity, you need to know what is the actual status of your body. So based on that, we plan and we schedule our fitness workout schedule and all these things. So now we will discuss about BCA and how it can be done physically or online. We have all the arrangements made for you guys. So now we can start FAQs, sir.
Okay, so as Jitu Bhai explained, I think I really doubt whether he's a chartered accountant or is a fitness expert. I don't know, but the way he explained, I think we all have cleared about the BCA thing. So two things for those who are based at Ahmedabad and they want to do this test physically. I think based on the situation currently, we are seeing first week of June is what we see is a tentative date wherein we can have BCA test as well as fitness test conducted physically at branch. Again, it all depends upon the situation at that time. We don't know, but as of now, this is what we had thought. But for all the outstation members and even from Ahmedabad-based members who want to do it online, we have a very good facility for online BCA test also, which Jitu Bhai will explain us. So my first question to his team is that sir online BCA कैसे करेंगे? हम लोग बोलते फिजिकल करेंगे, आप लोग ऑनलाइन कैसे करोगे और कैसे मेंबर्स को हेल्प कर सकते हो?
ऑनलाइन BCA के लिए we required certain details. We required certain details from your side. We will share with you the number of our. First of all, before going ahead, let me introduce our team. This is our core team. Mr. Pramod Rawal, he is part of My Fitness Expert Group. He is a core team. Mr. Vijay Dubey, he is also part of our core team. So we three are basically My Fitness Experts founding members, and our mission is to make a healthier community, and that, we all are working on that mission. So sir, हम online BCA कैसे करेंगे?
ऑनलाइन BCA के लिए हमें उनकी कुछ जानकारी चाहिए, जैसे उनका एज है, हाइट है, वेट, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम उनका BCA टेस्ट, BMR टेस्ट एंड बॉडी फैट टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, जो ऑनलाइन कर सकते हैं हम। और जब हम ऑफलाइन जब यहाँ पे करेंगे तो उसके अंदर हम BMI, BMR, विसरल फैट, बॉडी फैट, बॉडी एज, ये सब हम कर सकते हैं।
Meaning thereby is we need some information for online, because due to COVID or due to some constraint, we cannot meet personally, for example. So we have arranged that we will sort certain informations from you, like your name, your height, your weight, your photographs, your medical history, if any. Based on that, our team will communicate with you one-to-one consultation as per your convenient time. We will give you a very BMI, that is body mass index. We will calculate BMI, we will calculate BMR, we will calculate fat percentage. These three criteria we will calculate and we will give you. And then we will one-to-one, we will make a discussion with you based on your goal, because every body is different, every physique is different. There cannot be a uniform fitness solution for everyone. So you need a different exercise for which suits to your body. So based on these informations, our team will call you and we will make one-to-one consultations. And that's how sir online BCA and online this personalized workout card will also be made available to you. हम आपको आपका personalized खुद का कार्ड बना के देंगे, आपको ये करना है to achieve your goal. So we will help you out definitely. So that would be there.
Thank you, sir. So I think I'll just sum up जो इन्होंने बताया, जो for the participants who are in Ahmedabad, they can wait for maybe first week of June to have the physical BCA test and fitness test done. And for the all the outstation members, today we'll be floating a message in the group with a dedicated WhatsApp number and also the details that are required. For example, your name, age, your daily routine, and maybe a photograph. Based on that, they will be calling you back and they will be taking a kind of an interview with you.
Yes.
And then based on that, they will be designing their entire workout schedule with you, and then again BCA test and the results will be sent to you. So again, a very good online facility you all will be having.
Yes.
One more thing, we tend to do it once now, that is this week, and maybe once at the end of the movement also. So maybe in the first week of July or June end, we can have another BCA test. So you can find the difference, like what you were earlier and what 1 month, 1.5 months has made a difference in your body. So this is how we plan to conduct the BCA test. Any other information that you want to
Any
share?
other information if you have any question right away for BCA, you can ask any questions. BCA and fitness, we will be doing three things: BCA test, fitness test, and personalized workout card. BCA would be online or offline both. Offline mein there are various 15 criteria. It is based on machine. We will do it conduct on machine when you come to the branch in the first week, as sir said, first week of the June. Then we will conduct it on a machine. For those online, we will conduct based on information. So that would be BCA part. Now the other part would be a fitness test. Now what is fitness test, sir? Fitness test, why it is necessary?
फिटनेस टेस्ट जो आपका करंट रियलिटी गोल चेक होता है, उसमें कि आपका स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, एंड्योरेंस क्या है, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी क्या है। तो आज आपका करंट गोल जो मिला है उससे बेस पे हम आगे के गोल अचीव करने में इम्प्रूव करेंगे। मान लो कि आज का गोल आपका है कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ वीक है, तो हम फोकस करेंगे भी आपकी स्ट्रेंथ इम्प्रूव कैसे हुए, और वो हमें रिटर्न में मिलेगा कि भाई आज हमारी स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो हमारे रिटर्न पेपर में होगा, और नेक्स्ट मंथ अगेन वो हमें गोल करने में अचीव करेगा कि भाई वो उसमें हमें क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ। दिस इज द फिटनेस टेस्ट।
There are 4 criteria in fitness test which are very important, which I have already shared before. That is sir, endurance, stamina, strength, and flexibility. Yes. These 4 are the base of our anybody's fitness. So these four criteria we measure in fitness test. Again, it will be done on a physical mode. So this is fitness test, and third one is personalized card. Yes, personalized card is based on these two criteria. Based on these two criteria, a personalized card would be made, as I have explained you. So yes, that would be there. We would love to help you all to achieve your fitness goal. Online, be it offline, we would be there. We would be conducting at right now and again at the end of the movement. So we will come to know what we have achieved. So this is very important. If you have any question, you can ask her.
I think we can take a few questions on the chat box if you have. Otherwise, we will also come up with a special interactive session maybe today evening or tomorrow. Any question on the BCA that you want to ask? The team is here. So there is no eligibility criteria. I think anybody can get it done. You know, they are open to everyone. Even I can do the BCA test. They told me that I have to be fit first, but
Yes,
they have
sir.
allowed me to get the BCA test done.
Starts from the branch chairman, sir.
So I think Rajendra ji has mentioned a question: how to measure the effect of exercise?
How to measure the effect of the exercise?
Yeah.
Again, sir, this BCA test is there when you do certain exercise. For example, you are doing a Tabata workout or you are doing a Zumba. So there would be a calorie burning, there would be a fat loss, there would be a weight loss. So and when you do strengthening exercise, there would be strength building. Your muscles are building up. So this BCA test and this fitness test is definitely help you out, whether you are whatever exercise you are doing, whether it is helpful you or not. When again we measure, so that's why this BCA and fitness test is there, sir.
Question again: whether will BMI be measured each month?
Yeah, BMI as I said, because we are already halfway down to the movement 73. So we will measure right now, and we will again measure at the end of the 73 days, so that the improvements we come to know, okay, what my BMI level, BMR level, whether I have improved or not. So this is why we will measure 2 times.
One question on the whether physical BCA and online BCA test accuracy, there's any difference in that?
Yes, absolutely. There is that online BCA it is a mathematical formula basically based on calculation, based on your weight and your height. We can come to know what is your BMI, what is your BMR, and what is your body fat percentage. So that it would be around 80% accurate, and physical it would be done on machine, that is a BCA machine. It is called body composition analysis machine. It is also calibrated machines. It also gives a 90% accuracy. It shows your chart, how your health. It shows indications. It is not the 100% accurate, friends, but it shows indications of your health. If I'm not fit, so it shows like you are having a lot of weight, lot of fat in your body. So it gives us indication. 70, 80%, 90% accuracy is there.
And one more thing regarding any minimum instruments required at home for online BCA test?
No.
Any instruments?
No instrument required. You just give us the details, your name, age, height, weight, medical history, your current photographs, not any photo, but current photo. You can photo in and WhatsApp, full size photo and WhatsApp us. So we'll come to know your whether fat is there or not, your weight we come to know from photo, and then we can guide you properly. So no instrument required for online BCA.
The last question, which is not applicable to me, but what if anyone wants to gain weight? Will there be guidance on it after the BCA test?
100% for weight gain, for weight loss, for anything, any fitness aspect. You can communicate with any one of us. We will share our contact details. We would be in fact 24/7. Our Vijay sir would be available for you guys to assist you out. So don't worry, for weight gain, for weight loss, for fat loss, or for muscles building, anything, we would be love to help you out.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. You can remain here only, sir. We can just go to the push-up challenge before we end up. I think a long-awaited list of push-up challenges that we all had announced before 2 weeks.
Yes.
And we got a lot of responses, but I think as far as the accuracy is concerned, as far as the speed is concerned, they have selected 23 participants who are basically done it right. So I will like to announce all their names. And after these names, I'm also going to announce the winners in each category. The winners will get a prize only if they are currently present at the Zoom meeting and they can say a yes. Then they are eligible for prizes. So I'll just tell the names and how many push-ups they have done in a minute. So Ramandeep Singh Bhatia from Raipur, he has done 16 push-ups in a minute. Hardik Waghela from Ahmedabad, 32 push-ups. Umesh Chauhan, Ahmedabad, 35 push-ups. Vinay Panchal, he has done 50 push-ups. Bhavna Dayani ji from Kota, she has done 40 push-ups. Kishan Parmar from Ahmedabad, done 25 push-ups. Bharat Sharma from Udaipur, he has done 50 push-ups. Drashyant Sahetai from Pune, he has done 21 push-ups. Megha Khatri, Ahmedabad, 17 push-ups. Divya Rathod, Ahmedabad, 14 push-ups. Hitesh Alwani, Ahmedabad, 49 push-ups. Abhishek Doshi, Ahmedabad, 22 push-ups. Rishabh Samdaria, Pune, 40 push-ups. Margi Somani, Ahmedabad, 22 push-ups. Sujal Bhagat, Raigad, 50 push-ups. Sarath Pillai, Baroda, 51 push-ups. Ankur Goyal from Indore, he has done 24 push-ups. Rajiv Shah from Ahmedabad, 66 push-ups. That is the highest, I think. Yeah. Sirish Trivedi from Rajkot, 28 push-ups. Keshav Jagetia from Ahmedabad, 18 push-ups. Hitesh Jagetia, Ahmedabad, 24 push-ups. Vijay Jajal from Ahmedabad, 20 push-ups. And Vatsal Patel from Ahmedabad, 40 push-ups. So I think a big round of applause to all the 23 participants who have done it right. Now coming for the winners, and I said if you are present here, please mention your name in the chat box. We can acknowledge you straight away. So the winner for the more than 35 years age category, male, is Rajiv Shah from Ahmedabad. He has done 66 push-ups. I think Rajiv bhai is at the age of 55. I think he's very active in the cycling also. You would have seen his post. Amazing, sir. Sirish Trivedi, age 60 years. He has done 28 push-ups. So congratulations to both of you. Now, push-up challenge winner for the age less than 35 years. Sarath Pillai, he has done 51 push-ups. Bharat Sharma, he has done 50 push-ups. Vinay Panchal, 50 push-ups. And Sujal Bhagat is 50 push-ups. So congratulations to all four of you. And in female category, the top two winners are, first is Mrs. Bhavna Dayani from Kota. She is 58 years of age, but she has done 40 push-ups. I think congratulations, ma'am. Amazing work. And Megha Khatri, again, she has done 17 push-ups. So congratulations to all of you. And for those who have joined us this week, you can still take the push-up challenge. It is still on. I think we can keep it on. We'll keep the flyers again, and you can accordingly take part in that as well. So I can see Rajiv bhai there. Rajiv bhai is there in the chat box. I think the only one who is eligible for prize. So thank you so much for such active participation. Yes, and thank you for the entire team for remaining present here on